things became much more sharp at the end of the Sinai campaign in 1956, where suddenly I became fully aware of the state of Israel and that they won a war. To me, that was incomprehensible, that there was a Jewish-Israeli army and there was an Israeli airplanes, because the notion that of Jews being in a position of strength and control was strange to me. I thought that we always have to watch out, what's coming. We did not openly talk Yiddish in a streetcar because somehow we felt that we were a bit different. But when that war happened, I felt a lot of pride. I felt, wow, we have an army and we can actually win a war, and that's what happened. So, and in hindsight, I recognize that the repercussion of this war on the Israeli-Polish situation was not good, and they broke relationships, etc. But I felt a great sense of pride. And later on, it was explained to me, yes, we are people like anybody else. We have our police, we have our military, and our airplanes, and what have you, and we even have thieves and prostitutes in the country. We are just like everybody else. No, there are many things I did not know, of course, but it came to me as a sense of pride, and to many of my Jewish friends it was the same.